6:43 this morning, and this is our first opportunity at rain this morning. Notice all the lightning is just starting to leave the Laredo area. Notice that it is still mostly to the north, but notice how some lightning bolts are starting to occur ahead of it as well, and that's a sign that we could see some of that rain scrape across us during the morning hours. This is not the cold front, by the way. The cold front's still well off to the north. This is outflow from storms that fired up yesterday and are sweeping across South Texas. So we're going to have to watch for rain this morning and then some redevelopment this afternoon, and both have a small chance of producing severe weather. Now the good news is so far we have not heard about the storms are starting to leave Laredo, have not heard about any damaging wind or hail reported there. That's good news. That would tell us the severe weather threat would be staying low. We'll see if we get word of anything out of the Laredo area. Notice that this is where the severe weather threat is today across South Texas, and it does include us here in the valley. Notice the greatest chance is in the shade of yellow, and that includes Starr County but not Cameron, Willacy, and Hidalgo County. We're one category less. In fact, we're under the lowest threat for severe storms. It's not a zero chance of severe weather, but it is a very small chance. The better chance is out in Starr County for damaging wind and hail, and yes, some heavy rain at times. Now, we're actually starting this afternoon because we do have the opportunity this morning for some scattered showers and storms. Then I think early afternoon everything quiets down, but we could see some redevelopment at 3 o'clock, and there could be a severe weather threat then too. So we have two opportunities. You just want to stay aware of the weather throughout the day today. Notice that the better potential is going to be during the early evening hours, and notice how it's mostly green, and that's why we don't think the severe weather threat is high when there's a small chance, and it's the better chance being in Starr County. It could be dry late this evening, and then we get one more round of rain. It looks like some light showers during the overnight hours. That would not be severe threat. The severe threat ending by 10 o'clock this evening, but it's for the rest of the morning until 10 o'clock tonight. And then tomorrow we're not concerned about severe weather. In fact, notice not a whole lot going on tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon. There is the opportunity for a few showers and storms through the day, and it's going to be a mostly cloudy day, but we don't think there's going to be even as much rain as we're going to see today. Now, looking at our severe weather threats, the best chance of the different severe weather types is going to be for damaging wind and hail, but notice that it's not a high threat. This is a medium-low threat, and the best chance is in Starr County. The flood threat is low, and the tornado threat is very low. It's not quite zero, but the only tornado threat is for Starr County, and even there it's very low, so that's why the tornado threat is the lowest, and we have the best chance of seeing damaging wind and hail. But again, most storms probably will not be severe. It's always difficult to talk about the severe weather threat because most storms end up not being severe, but the potential is there. So mostly cloudy and breezy day with scattered showers and thunderstorms. We'll be dodging them. There's an opportunity again this morning and then late this afternoon into the early evening hours. Highs are going to reach around 90 degrees, and yeah, it's still going to be breezy today. Let's talk about your weekend forecast. The best chance of rain is actually tonight. A 40% chance of still seeing some additional shower storms. Still a small chance for severe weather early this evening, but late tonight won't be an issue. 73. It's going to be a cloudy night. And then for Saturday and Saturday night, notice the rain chance 20%. 20%. So do not cancel your Saturday night, or even your Sunday plans, because I do think most of the weekend will be dry, but there will be some rain around. The good news is no severe weather threat. Highs in the upper 80s and lows in the low 70s. We'll be right back after this break.